The Judeo-Christian view that humans are made in the image of God, the Imago Dei, gives each person an inherent worth. And Christian thinkers like Augustine and later Thomas Aquinas argued that rulers are bound by God's higher law, and that laws that contradict it are unjust. Then there are the medieval legal traditions, like the Magna Carta in 1215, where there were political compromises, but they introduced the principle that even kings are not above certain laws. And over time, English courts began treating customs like property ownership and trial by peers and lawful assembly as pre-existing rights that the crown had to respect. Because even though we are awash in talk of authoritarianism and we have these examples from the 20th century of some of the most brutal dictatorships in history, even those people, the most ruthless dictators, still had courts. Even Henry VIII had a court. And King John, for instance, in the case of the Magna Carta, went too far in taxation and taking privileges that he thought were his right to treat people however he wanted. He wanted to treat his nobility however. They were servants of the king, right? And it eventually goes too far that they rebelled and wrote the Magna Carta. And so there is always a tension between the ruled and the rulers. And that has existed in the history of time. And what this natural rights tradition is defining those things, right? You don't have the right to come and take people and sell them and treat them and murder them and sexually assault them, right? Like, you have a natural right to your dignity to not be assaulted.